Welcome back, everyone, to more Ballydung Wrestling's Thankful Beatings 2014. And here comes CM Punk again. I guess maybe he didn't get enough of a beating the last time from Rugged Rebel Leader. So, I mean, I don't see Rugged Rebel Leader, though, listed on this matchup. But I guess CM Punk wanted another matchup on the card. So he talked with the board of directors and they granted him another matchup so he can show what he's made of. So CM Punk wants to show that he is truly the best in the world. So I guess he's getting another opportunity here at Thankful Beatings 2014. And that's a big opportunity for him, I think. And speaking of opportunity, I've got my match coming up at some point. So I've got to find out when they're going to get the when my matchup is going to happen, one, and when they're going to, and who they're going to bring into the booth to replace me for some of the stuff that's going on. But I guess CM Punk demanded this matchup, so on such short notice, here comes AJ Lee. And of course, as some may or may not know, AJ Lee and CM Punk, in real life, they actually did get married, and there were some wedding photos of the two that were apparently leaked on the internet. CM Punk threw a little hissy fit about that, but these days, what does CM Punk not throw a hissy fit about? I mean, he gets mad about the way he's booked on at his job, that he gets mad about photos being leaked, he gets mad about his merchandise being sold, his name and likeness being used, all this stuff that I think CM Punk, if he just stayed out of the limelight and just kept to himself, maybe he wouldn't have had all these problems, as here comes the Rated R superstar, Edge. And Edge's career in a major company ended after he had a neck injury, which was lingering for a while. He had that neck injury and he had his neck fused, but he said he knew that he was on borrowed time after he had the neck surgery, but I don't think he thought his career would end the way it did. But Edge really went out in the major company on a high note. I mean, some might say that that his career wasn't complete because he never had to drop the world title that he had, but sometimes things like that happen. You can't help but feel a little sorry that his career ended that way, but also it's nice that he didn't lose the world title. So I guess it's bittersweet, as here comes Beth Phoenix. And of course, Beth Phoenix and Edge have been rumored to be a real-life couple, and they actually have a child together, according to the dirt sheets. How much you believe the dirt sheets, but Edge and Beth Phoenix teaming up here. So I wonder if Lita might be out of the picture now, because apparently Edge is now with Beth Phoenix, so Lita must be out of the picture. I think she was out of the picture, though, long ago, but there was a lot of controversy with Edge, Lita, and Matt Hardy, and that was just a whole big mess when that went down. But looks like Beth Phoenix and Edge are looking to make a successful team here, as Edge is staring down CM Punk, and I think Edge, he's going to tag out to the Glamazon, Beth Phoenix, and now CM Punk tags to AJ, and Beth Phoenix taking down AJ quickly right off the bat. And AJ caught an facebuster there by Beth Phoenix. Beth Phoenix not showing any mercy here. And of course, she didn't like the divas that were, she didn't like all the divas that were thinking that they were all pretty and didn't have the strength and power to match up to her. And of course, Beth Phoenix was known for having a segment called Crying Time, where she would make the divas cry, and she loved and she enjoyed it. She enjoyed insulting and humiliating the divas, making them cry and whine like little babies, because she thought that it was amusing to see them cry and whine, because they didn't have the power and the strength to be not only beautiful but also painful. As now Beth Phoenix setting up AJ. She's got AJ set up and drops her down with a glam slam. And the referee calls for the bell. That is it. They're stopping this matchup by knockout. So Beth Phoenix and Edge pull off a big victory here at Thankful Beatings 2014 as they celebrate the victory. AJ Lee still down in pain as Beth Phoenix and Edge embrace each other and they celebrate the victory. AJ Lee, though, still down. She might need some medical attention, but I'm getting word that something is going down. So, come on, board of directors, what are you saying in my headset? This is just, the board of directors is yelling at something to me. I don't know exactly what they're trying to say, but they're saying that something is going down right now. So I don't know. Wait a second. I've just gotten word that this match is going to be restarted. They have restarted the matchup. So I guess this matchup is going to start over again. And CM Punk just, Edge missed with that cross-body move. He only got partial on CM Punk. As CM Punk now goes for the knees of Edge. And CM Punk getting fired up. And Edge with that float over DDT. And now Edge trying to get CM Punk down as he goes for the cross-body block again and misses. And CM Punk showing off as Edge with that snap suplex maneuver. And now Edge tagging to Beth Phoenix. And CM Punk is now being set up for the Glam Slam by Beth Phoenix as she, and the referee calls for the belt. That's it. CM Punk is now lost by knockout. So both CM Punk and AJ Lee have lost this matchup. And I guess Punk was trying to carry the load for his team in the rematch when the match got restarted because AJ Lee was hurt. But now Edge and Beth Phoenix celebrate a back-to-back victory. 2 victories in one night over the same team. I don't know if that's ever happened anywhere else, but Edge and Beth Phoenix have proven themselves in this matchup. So they get the victory. CM Punk, it was tough luck that he had to fight, that the team got to fight again. But now CM Punk is 0-3 tonight. So that's not going to be a very good night, I think, for him. But Edge and Beth Phoenix are probably going to celebrate for quite some time with this victory tonight.